Alright guys, so here's an unboxing video of this, the LS50X Snoop Dogg edition. Let's get to this unboxing. I just picked these up. I don't have anything to help me get them undone here. The plastic's really tough. So there you go. I'm gonna do it as neatly as possible. Sorry about all the moving on the camera. As you guys know, I'm no expert. I'm just doing this so you guys can take a look. Right, there it is. This lights off. Nice little edition number there. They usually say that I've seen several reviews where they say that the numbers on the inside, but I guess they're not looking at that, or maybe they didn't get that sticker. I'm not sure. Let me see here. Again, I apologize. I don't have something to hold my phone. I don't have anybody to help me record these videos. I'll be there, so get this, and yeah, same number. So I don't know. Okay, so we have that case right there. Just a book, sticker. That's pretty much it. I picked this up from GameStop, regular price. Okay, so soft, but you know, pretty sturdy case. Ooh, the zipper is smooth. Can't even open it like this. Nice little pouch right here. Comes off actually. You can move it around. It has Velcro on the back. Nice touch, because you want to, you know, put it here on the bottom. But I don't think you would because of these. Nice. It's a Snoop Dogg. That's, the stitching looks pretty nice. Let's take these off. They do twist a little bit to put around the shoulder, the chrome. I already got it a little bit dirty. Nice headset. Pretty nice. We got wires right here. I got this to cover the part where the microphone goes in right there, so it won't get dirty or you won't have anything going in it. Nice touch by Lucid. This is my first headset from Lucid Sounds. Oh, so I'm pretty excited. Microphone, boom mic. Has, let me try to, there it is. Has the Lucid Sound logo in there. Matching color for the spot right here where it's gonna go in. You have charging cable, USB-C, auxiliary cable to connect to the Xbox controller in case you don't want to use it wirelessly. And the most important thing right here, the dongle. So nice, pretty nice. It's a pretty nice headset so far. I have no complaints. It feels pretty sturdy. The case, like the case, got it dirty already. The inside is soft, so we'll see. We'll see how it goes. I'll submit another video of my, I guess my my expectations of it and how it's been working. You know, just an update of the settings and all that stuff, but I guess I'll do that in another time. For now, it's just the unboxing. I obviously can't give you all answer on settings and all that if I haven't used it myself. Thanks a lot, guys.